This video is part of Florida's Technology and Learning Connection Project's Virtual Learning and U-Training. This is the Switch Skills Progression Series hosted by Dr. Danilyn Werkentine. So here we've got our simple list of level 5A, which is 2 objects. And here you can see we have 2 separate objects with 2 separate switches. And the goal of this is just to learn that those 2 switches operate those 2 separate activities. So if I press the switch on the right, it activates the fan on the right. If I press the switch on the left, it activates the toy on the left. Now, you'll notice that I have one that is a direct and one that is a timed. And that's okay, because we learned a long time ago when our student was in level 1 that they were able to progress through direct, through timed, through latched. So in level 5, you can choose whatever level you would like as long as you've got it connected to 2 separate switches. And that is level 5A, 2 objects. A sample goal for level 5A might sound something like, the student can activate 2 switches that perform 2 separate activities, noting the effect of both switches on X out of 5 opportunities. This is an example of errorless learning. That wraps up this video for level 5A, 2 objects. Funding for this service is provided by the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education, Florida Department of Education. The inclusion of technologies in this library and/or described in this content should not be considered as an endorsement of any particular item or device. The instructional appropriateness of any of these technologies must be determined at the local level.